Explained. Set the time, day, and date on your Fortis watch. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to set the time, day, and date on your Fortis watch. Important note in advance. On our movements like on the UW50 shown here, you should never manually set the day and date between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. The reason for this is that the automatic movement changes it automatically during this time. To set the time, pull out the crown 2 stops. By turning the crown up or down, you can set the current time. When you have set the time, push the crown all the way back in. Then pull out the crown 1 position to set the date and day. To set the date, turn the crown upwards. Turn it downwards for the day. Finally, push the crown all the way back in. Some of our watches show you the direction of rotation with triangles on the dial. Do you also have a question? Let us know in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.